Hey guys, this is what we're having for dinner today. You can see Lane's cooked some homemade chicken fingers and some crinkle fries, and I'm about to make the Raising Cane sauce that I was talking about the other day. And it's really easy. All you do is put quite a bit of mayonnaise. Like, I'm gonna finish this jar because it's almost empty. I would give you like specific measurements, but I've forgotten them because I make it so much that I just kind of go by the way that it looks. And then you put some ketchup. Some Worcestershire. Little bit of garlic salt, not that much. And a bunch of pepper. And then you just mix it up. If it doesn't look,
oh, sorry.
If it doesn't look the right color when you finish, you didn't put enough ketchup. But it should be this orange looking color, and you can see the pepper flakes in it. And that's it. That's all you do.
It's supposedly a Cajun sauce, so I mean, you can use it for crawfish too. So if you like crawfish.
It tastes good on fried catfish too.
Yeah, fried catfish, crawfish, anything.
But that's it. There's your Raising Cane sauce right there.
Let me try it real quick. Yeah, we're good.